If you've seen the Pedro Pascal eating sandwich meme all over social media and wanted to make your own version in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the Pedro Pascal eating sandwich video meme on CapCut in just a few simple steps. Even if you're a complete beginner, we'll go from finding the right template to adding your own background footage so you can turn it into a funny, shareable meme fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and go to the Templates tab in the left-hand navigation menu. This is where CapCut keeps trending meme styles and ready-made effects that make the editing process much faster. Once you're in Templates, click the search bar at the top and type Pedro Pascal eating sandwich. CapCut should show a range of templates related to this meme, including some that are built with a green screen look or a pre-keyed overlay. That means the subject is already separated, which makes it much easier to drop your own background behind it. Now take your time and choose a high-quality template that looks clean, clear, and trending. The better the template, the better your final meme will look. After you find the one you want, drag it into the timeline. This is important because once it's on the timeline, you can start working with the template like a proper project instead of just previewing it. Next, it's time to add your own background media. In your media library, click the import icon to bring in a video or photo from your computer. This should be the background that represents your funny scenario, reaction, or joke. It could be a random clip, a dramatic scene, a screenshot, or anything that makes the meme even more funny and original. Once your file is imported, click on the template in the timeline to open the slot options. CapCut usually creates a designated placeholder area where your background media needs to go. Now drag your file into that background placeholder slot in the timeline. When you do this, CapCut will place your background behind the Pedro Pascal meme template so the effect looks complete. Take a moment to preview everything and make sure the placement looks right. If needed, you can adjust the timing, trim the clip, or swap in a different background until it matches your idea perfectly. The goal is to make the meme feel smooth, funny, and easy to understand the moment someone watches it. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've created your own Pedro Pascal eating sandwich video meme on CapCut, ready to share with friends, post online, or use in your next viral edit. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, meme edits, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.